Disable the tune from the app. I'll start with the intake. That'll give me the access to the EWG connector also. There it is. Both the JB4 and the intake are removed. Condition of the cone air filter after 4,000 miles. No engine or warning lights present. How I can tell the JB4 and the MST intake made a difference? Because I can only hear the turbo on the hard, I can only barely hear the turbo on the hard acceleration, and I don't lose control sliding between shifting. I already missed the sound of the intake and that extra power from the JB4. It almost feels like I had a beard before, like kind of enhanced a little bit, and I shaved it off. So if you install either one of these and you can't tell there's a difference, ride with it for a little bit, then take it off. You'll notice the difference once you don't have it anymore.